As its nickname suggests, Rwanda is a land of unparalleled natural beauty. Verdant, undulating hills stretch as far as the eye can see, carpeted with lush tea and coffee plantations that paint the landscape in shades of emerald. The country is home to serene lakes, including the expansive Lake Kivu, offering tranquil shores and breathtaking sunsets. Explore the ancient Nyungwe Forest National Park, one of Africa's oldest and most well-preserved montane rainforests, teeming with chimpanzees and a myriad of bird species. Every vista in Rwanda is a postcard perfect scene, inviting exploration and offering a peaceful escape into nature's embrace.